Alright, gonna do some lock bumping. Here we have a master lock, regular master lock, nothing fancy about it. Here we have the key to that master lock. You can see that it's a normal key, normal groove patterns. And then this one is the bump key we're going to be using. You can clearly see that those are not the same, not even the same size or cut. Anyway, let's give this a shot. Okay, so here's the lock, here's the actual key. Definitely works. I like these locks because they go both ways, so you really can't really screw up the bump. Anyway, there's the actual key. Here's the bump key. See, it's that same pattern. And by same, I mean they're all cut to the same depth. Anyway, so clearly not going to open that. So what we do is one notch out, put a slight bit of pressure on it, and then bump it. Sometimes it doesn't work on the first try. That's how simple it is. Give it another quick shot. So, lock up, key in, out one. That's simple.